Hello everyone. Porsche's most beloved sports car is now coming with full electric power. This is the 2026 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV. The new 718 EV's design looks exactly like the Mission R concept. Super streamlined body, thin LED lights, large air intakes and a full EV-style front fascia. The Cayman gets a sleek sports coupe design, and the Boxster comes with a new aerodynamic soft-top roadster look. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar covers the entire back, giving the car a true future supercar appearance. Inside, you get Porsche's ultra-minimalist EV cabin, a new curved digital display, the latest Porsche PCM system, a full-screen entertainment panel, sporty steering wheel, and Mission R-inspired racing seats. For the driver, there's a new 3D holographic speed display and a low-sitting EV sports car driving position. In the 2026 718 EV, Porsche is using its new mid-mounted battery stack, meaning the battery sits in the center of the car. Just like the classic mid-engine feel, power is expected between 450 and 600 HP, 0-100 km/h in around 3 seconds. Range is expected around 400-500 km, and fast charging will be even better than the Taycan. This entire platform is designed specifically for the 718 EV, with an extremely low center of gravity and handling sharp like the Porsche 911. Both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions are expected. Prices may start from $80,000 to $95,000. And the launch is expected in early or mid-2026. Porsche has already ended ICE versions. The EV versions are now very close. Electric future, pure Porsche feel. This is the 2026 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV, a revolutionary machine for every sports car lover.